Welcome again, guys, to our channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we have another good one for you. We're going to be making some honey, lemon, garlic, chicken legs, and we're going to be doing that in the oven. And there you see I have some chicken legs in my bowl, and I just washed it with some vinegar, and I'm going to be doing that for about 2 to 3 times. And so there you see I'm washing it again. And we're just trying to get everything clean and ready to be seasoned. So there I have drained them, and I am pat drying it with a napkin to get off the excess water before I start to season my chicken. And there I'm going to be using some chili powder, some maggi liquid seasoning, black pepper, smoked paprika, my creole seasoning as well, and garlic powder, and then we're going to be adding some onion, some chicken seasoning, some sazon, pimento seed, liquid smoke, thyme, and we're going to be putting that all on our chicken. So there I have all my dry seasoning, and I am just combining them together to be added to the chicken. So make sure you mix that properly. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, comment, and let me know where you're watching from. And turn on that notification so you do not miss any of our videos. And so you see I'm adding all my ingredients to the bowl now to combine them together so we can add them to our chicken legs. I'm adding some lemon juice as well. So this is a loaded chicken leg we're going to be doing today. You see that seed, I removed the seed, and so then now I'm combining all that to make a paste for our chicken leg. You can heat it in the microwave for maybe 5 seconds to get the honey kind of melted out, and then we're going to cover our chicken legs with it, rub it all the way in. Make sure you get all that out your container, and just mix it in under the skin as well. And then you leave it overnight to marinate, or if you don't have the time, you can do a couple of hours, because you want the legs to have the flavor. And so then there you see I have a lined can, and I put some butter on the foil paper, and then we're going to be putting all our chicken wings on all our chicken legs in, and there is the completed portion. Then we cover it with some foil paper and put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and a half. So there you see I am going to be making the sauce. So we have garlic powder, onion powder, more of the same seasoning that we had used before, but you can add whatever spices you do like, and I am chopping 3 cloves of garlic, and these are small ones so we don't have it too overpowering, but like a nice blend with our lemon and honey. So once you get that all chopped up, then we're going to put it in a bowl, and you see I'm squeezing my lemon juice in. So there is our completed lemon juice, and I'm adding my chicken Mrs. Dash so that one doesn't have any salt in it. And then we're going to be adding a little of the garlic powder as well, and the onion powder. And as I said, you can use whatever seasoning you have on hand or the ones that you do like. That's the smoked paprika to give that chicken the color and the flavor, and I'm going to be adding some black pepper as well. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section just to keep me encouraged, and like the video. I'm adding some red vinegar as well, and my creole seasoning. So you can see this is going to be a tasty sauce that will be used to baste our chicken legs. So we've added about a half a teaspoon of honey to the mix, and so then now we're going to pour it in a skillet and make it reduced so that we can have good consistency when we're basting our chicken. So put that on a medium to high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes and taste it to see if you like the flavor. If it's too garlicky, then add some more honey. But you want like a balance between the sweet and the acidic from our lemon juice and the vinegar as well. And you can just, once your sauce kind of coats a plastic fork or spoon, you know that the consistency and it will stick to your chicken. So there, after about an hour and a half in the oven, and then I took the cover off and let it stay there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And so then now I'm basting it with that sauce that we just made. And remember, you'll have to preheat your oven before. Mine takes about 10 minutes to warm up. And so you just baste it and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. There, after 5 minutes, you can see how the chicken looks so delicious. In here smells so good, and you just make this recipe and let me know in the comments how you like it. So just baste all over the chicken to get all that garlicky lemon honey sauce over your chicken legs. And we thank you so much for watching our videos, We truly appreciate it. And turn on that notification. We will see you on the next video. Bye. Have a good day.